Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video we will see how to check for battery health of iPhone. Also, I wonder why you want to check the battery health of iPhone. It is because you're about to buy an iPhone, or maybe you want to check your mobile phone's battery health, or maybe there's any other reason for you to get to know the battery health of your iPhone. So in this video I'll show you how easily you could do it. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. So first what you have to do is you have to unlock your mobile phone, and after that you have to go to the settings of your mobile phone. We have to go to the settings because all the options are available in the settings. So the settings icon and option is available in every iPhone. You just have to simply tap on it and then settings will open. On the top, as you can read, it says settings and we have a lot of options. Every option has its own purpose. So what we have to do is we have to get to this section, and from this section first we have to scroll down a bit, and there you will see this option, which is the second last option, and it is battery. As we are here to check the battery health, so that's why we have to go to the battery, so we get to know about how much battery health is left in our mobile phone. So just simply click on it, and there you will see few other options. So on the top, as you can see, it is battery and it has different options. So now what you have to do is you just have to go top to the page, and there you will see this third option which says battery health and charging. You just have to simply click on it, and in this option we will find the percentage left of our mobile phone's battery health. So once you get on there, again you will see few options. So the first option is maximum capacity. So this is actually the battery health of your mobile phone. Along with this option you could also see a percentage. So this percentage is actually your mobile's battery health. Right now it is 83. That means this mobile phone's battery health is 83%. So if you open your mobile phone and you get there and you see a different percentage, that means your mobile has this much left percentage. If it's 100, then your mobile phone has 100% battery health, and if it's 70, then your mobile phone has 70% battery health. Normally, if your iPhone has more than 70%, then it means it is in good health. But if it gets below it, it's really bad for your mobile phone's battery health. So I'll show you once again. First you have to go to the settings, then you have to scroll down, and there you have to select battery option, and then you will get there. After that you have to click on this option, and once you get there you will see this option maximum capacity. This is your mobile phone's battery health, and along with this you see an percentage. This is the actual battery health of your mobile phone. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can get to know about the battery health of your iPhone. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.